All right. Do your thing, Dad. Call her.
Say, she needs training.
Excuse me. Go train her. Do your thing.
Sadie, come. Sadie, come. Good girl. Good girl. Sadie, sit. Sit. Stay. Good girl. Stay there now. Don't move. See, Sharon, you gotta learn. Sit. Stay. Good girl. I'll give you a biscuit when I get home.
I don't know how the
Okay,
heck
love
we got
her.
so lucky
Kiss.
with Russell.
Aww.
You love Grandpa.
I think she wants to kiss you back.
Wow.
She wants to kiss you
I gotta
back.
go to Kaiser for this.
Oh my goodness.
What happened?
I don't know
He
what he
just
was doing back
scratched me.
here. I don't know if that's
Or
true.
jump, you know.
Who knows?
She attacked you too?
She attacked me. Thank goodness my dog is a loving dog.